So greetings and salutations to my wonderful people out there. To all my returning residents, thank you so much for your continued support. And to my new viewers out there, I hope you enjoy your stay and smash that subscribe icon down below as well. Like the video, share the video, and you can also leave a comment down below. Today's review is going to be a unboxing and first impression of a fragrance that falls under the umbrella of Latafa fragrances. So you know that I'm talking about an inspiration, I'm talking about top quality, I'm talking about affordable fragrance. The one I'm talking is from the house Rave, and it is Rave Now. So I'm not going to keep you guys waiting, I'm just going to dive straight into the unboxing and first impression. Enjoy. Alright, so guys, I've been eager to try this one. I've had it for about a week now, but I decided I was going to wait until I was fully recovered before I actually do this unboxing and first impression, guys. I've watched about 3 or 4 reviews. I've watched Jensen's, and I've also watched my boy Joy Amin. So I know that this fragrance is definitely one that will garnish a lot of compliments, not to mention perform. So here you have the box. This looks like there's a silky texture. I'm not even sure exactly, but I must say the presentation, as always, very immaculate. The box opens up just like this. There's a flap, and the fragrance is inside. Fragrance I'm talking about, so at the back, well, I'm not sure this is the back, but you have Rave on this side, and then you have Now along with the concentration on this side, which is other parfum concentration, so you know it's going to be premium. The top, you have the Rave engraved, and underneath it you just have a silver sticker with information such as the concentration and made in the UAE. Now I am going to get straight into it. Off the cap, I'm not really smelling anything, so I'm going to spray it and tell you guys exactly what I think. Alright, so I don't have anything on my arm. It's always best to go directly on the skin, so let me just get straight there. I'm going to put one spray, guys. Very wide distribution. Ooh. Oh. Shit! Fuck. Yo, this is not a Creed Aventus clone, guys. Not because the fragrance comprises of pineapple means it is a representation of Aventus. This is by no means a inspiration of Aventus. Wow. Yo, this smells very. There are some berries in this one. I'm not sure of the note breakdown, but I can tell that there are some berries in this one. But the pineapple is just so juicy. Yo, it reminds me of Latafa's. Is it? I'm gonna show you guys the one I'm talking about. So the one I'm talking about is Latafa's. I believe this is pronounced Quaid Al Fursan. I'm not sure if I'm butchering the name, but this is the one I'm talking about. Another pineapple beauty. This, on the other hand, guys, is way smoother than this one. Shit. This is like a juicy, strong, powdery pineapple note. Whoa, there are like some remnants of berries that I'm getting. I'm not certain if berries are in the note breakdown. However, I am getting something somewhat similar of berry vibe from this one. But this, yo, this so far, based on the first scent that I'm getting, the first impression, this is definitely 8 out of 10. I'm going to rate this one. It is not an inspiration of Creed Aventus by no means. So I don't want anyone to tell me that this smells like Creed Aventus. No, it does not. Any review I tell you guys it does, they are telling y'all shit. And I can tell you that. Yo, this, and guys, it is transitioning as well. There are some floral notes in this one as well. I'm going to be looking at the note breakdown and possibly give you guys a further update. But all in all, my first impression, a very solid release from the house Rave Now. Another good one from Latafa as well. I must commend them on releasing these awesome fragrances. The presentation is definitely a 10 out of 10 as usual. So the fragrance will definitely score 8 out of 10 for me based on the scent profile that I'm getting. So far, amazing stuff. Not an inspiration of Creed Aventus. So no one, don't come at me and tell me that this is an inspiration. It's not. It smells really good. In fact, it smells pretty damn similar to this one to me. So if I'm going to tell y'all, these two are definitely somewhat similar. Alright? So Latafa's Quiet Al Farsan and Rave Now, definitely somewhat similar. So there you have it. As always, guys, if you have tried the fragrance before, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Share, like the video, and guys, I'm asking you to subscribe as well. Thank you so much. I'm your boy Ja. Peace. I am out.